Today we are going to see about human organ system. In that we are going to study about two different components. One is circulatory system and another one is nervous system. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels and blood. And nervous system is the main function is done by neuron. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is one of the important system consisting of heart, blood vessel and blood. It transports respiratory gases, nutrients, hormones and waste materials within the body. It protects the body from harmful pathogens and also regulates the body temperature. Heart. Heart is located in the thoracic cavity between the two lungs. The heart is four-chambered and is surrounded by a double-layered membrane called pericardium. The heart pumps blood continuously throughout our lifetime. Blood vessels. Three types of blood vessels are present in the body. They are arteries, veins and capillaries. They form a closed network through which the blood is circulated. Blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue of red color containing plasma and blood cells. There are three types of blood cells, namely red blood cells, RBCs or white blood corpuscles, WBCs and blood platelets. RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. Superior vena cava. It brings deoxygenated blood to the heart. Aorta. Aorta is the largest blood vessel. It carries oxygenated blood from the heart to all parts of the body. Heart. Heart pumps blood to the body. Pulmonary artery carries blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Pulmonary vein carries blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Arteries shown in red, they carry blood from the hearts to all parts of the body. All arteries carry oxygenated red blood cells except the pulmonary arteries. Veins shown in blue color, they carry blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. All veins carry blood that is depleted of oxygen, that is deoxygenated blood, and therefore bluish in color. Except the pulmonary veins carry pure blood. Let us do an activity. Place the middle and the index finger of your right hand on the inner side of your left wrist. Can you feel a throbbing movement? Why do you feel the throbbing? This throbbing is called the pulse, and it is due to the blood flowing in the arteries. Count the number of pulses in 1 minute. How many pulse beats could you count in 1 minute? The number of beats per minute is called the pulse rate. A resting person usually has a pulse rate between 72 to 80 beats per minute. Donate blood. Hospitals have blood banks where blood can be temporarily stored before it is given to the patient in need. Every healthy person over 18 years of age can donate blood so that it can be given to the person in need during emergency of accidents or operations. Blood donations saves their life. Nervous system. Nervous system is a well developed in human and it is composed of neurons or nerve cells. This system includes brain, spinal cord, sensory organs and nerves. The two important functions of the nervous system along with the endocrine systems are conduction and coordination. Brain is the part of the central nervous system that regulates and controls activities throughout the body. It is the site of consciousness and memory. Spinal cord is a bundle of nerves extending from the brainstem through the backbone. It conducts signal to and from the brain. Peripheral nervous system are the network of nerves and ganglions that carry signals to and from the central nervous system, and it consists of intercostal nervous system, nerves, radial nerves and femoral nerves. Brain. The brain is a complex organ which is placed inside the corneum. It is protected by a three-layered tissue coverings called meninges. Brain has three regions, namely forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. It is the controlling center of the body. Spinal cord. It is the extension of the medulla oblongata of the hindbrain and it is enclosed within the vertebral column. Spinal cord connects the brain to different parts of the body through nerves. The function of the nervous system. Sensory input. The conduction of signals from sensory receptors. Integration. The interpretation of the sensory signals and the formulation of responses. Motor output. The conduction of signals from the brain and the spinal cord to effectors such as muscles and gland cells. Brain is said to store as many as 100 million bits of information in a lifetime. Sense organ. Sense organ are like the window to the outside world. There are 5 sense organs in our body such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They make us aware of our surroundings. We are able to see, hear, smell, taste and feel only through the sense organs.